you have a large bag just like mine or even bigger, filled with Ankara scraps that you intend burning at your leisure. No, you've checked these Ankara pieces, they're of no good use. Instead of burning them just as I used to do, let me show you all what to do with all of this scrap fabric which you are seeing right here. Get a plain paper and you're going to be duplicating any template of your choice here. So preferably I would advise a heart shaped design. If you have an object with same shape, you can go on ahead to place it on your paper and draft it out, but because I don't, I use my free hand to do this. After drawing out this design on my paper, I went on ahead to cut it out. So yours can be bigger or smaller than this particular one I have right here. Like behind the camera, I already drafted out the one in a smaller size. So this is a template which is going to be my guide to cut out multiple of this template on different colors of African print. So I'm doing it on the last fabric I have here, and it is folded into two as well. So all these fabrics here are very rough because I've had them for a very long time squeezed in a bag. So I've gone ahead now to iron them out, and I want 4 pieces of this template to go for one design. All I did was to get 2 pieces of this right size facing each other. I'll pin this together and now stitch it straight down. I will get the other remaining 2 and repeat the same thing. When I'm done stitching it, I'm going to be combining these 2 together, right sides facing each other like this, and in total I'll be having 4 pieces for one patch design. So by the time I go on ahead to do this, I'll be having 3 at the end of the day. So here it is, 1, 2, 3, and yours can be more. So you're going to be fixing this into any plain fabric or dress you have made so far. This is a Bubu dress I made, which I'll be placing this design I have made so far on it on the right side. So I did this by ironing this flat and placing it on the right side. Then underneath it, I'm placing a hemming gum so that this can help stick very well, so that it doesn't shift by the time I'm running the ends or the edges of this my design. I went on ahead to give it a very good press and also place the other remnant of the designs I have on this my dress. You can use this to be very creative. Yours can even be more than 10, more than 12 for both the front and the back part of any dress you intend fixing it on. But for this particular one, is a tutorial I have on my channel, and it has this patch fabric designs on it which added extra beauty and elegance to the dress. After doing all of that shenanigans, I went on ahead to come to the ends of this first one I have right here. I'm going to be folding it in slightly like this, and I'll be running a stitch all around this for the 3 designs. So I'm done doing that, and you can see how beautiful and perfectly fits this is. If I had added extra, this will still come out more beautiful. So by the end of the day, after doing all of that and joining, this is what it should look like. Beautiful, right? So next time, instead of discarding or burning your patch fabrics of your Ankara piece, please go on ahead to do something like this and keep it for reference purpose. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you subscribe to my channel in case you haven't. Give me a like and a thumbs up. I will see you next time on the same channel. Bye.